Hey guys, today we would like to introduce you our new RADE kit for KTM EXC. We like the fun factor and easy handling of EXC, and we like the RADE, so we try to combine the best of the both. So we designed fairing that respect the weight and the handling of the bike and the weight of the bike. That's why we use the transparent material, so impression there is almost nothing. We used carbon tower, so we reduce significantly with the weight. And then the full kit is just bolt on. The clamps are CNC milled, so they are very precise, but on the other hand they are very robust. During the testing we did several rallies, starting with Hellas through the ElChott and even Dakar rally. So we had many crash tests, and we can say it's very stable. But we believe that many of us will use it as for adventure riding. So we were also paying attention to details like the GPS bar. There is power cable extension, so you can easily connect your GPS or whatever you need to the electricity. Then sometimes are very convenient the powerful headlights. We have there our LEDs. They are even road legal. On bad gravel roads, rocks and sands, is always convenient also to have the steering damper. So the adapter for Scott's steering damper is included in the kit. So if you have the Scott's, you easily bolt on, and it's prepared for that. Yeah. So when I summarize, you are actually getting a nice ready looking package that you can use for your adventure riding on new terrains, new landscape, in places where you wouldn't go normally with any bigger bike. And for those who wants to do real racing with the roadbook equipment, Speedmasters, Speedo caps, Erie tracks, etc., etc. So we prepared a racing add-on to this kit, so you can easily install all the roadbook, Speedmasters and other equipments necessary for any rally. But you have to order it on top. Yeah. So if you like our RADE kit, please order on our eShop.